Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I've been away for a while. I was sick, my husband was sick. I didn't work for a week. So I have 1 week worth of tips, and then I did work all of this week, Monday through Friday. So I have tips from there. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Carissa. And I do eyelash extensions full time. And yeah, I'm back to making these videos, so make sure if you're new here, subscribe. If you're returning, hi, thank you so much, and sorry about the wait, but let's get into it. I don't know what I have here, but we're just gonna jump into it and see what I got. And of course, this is basically like 2 weeks because I worked 1 week and then I was sick and worked. Yeah, I was gone for a while, so let's just get everything in order here. Okay, let's count all this up. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, $485. So $485, awesome. And let's just get the money back in order so we can start doing the stuffing. And we're gonna have to rebudget like always. I'm gonna have to redo my tip like calculator. Alright, so we got $485 to work with. $485. Hope you guys can see this good. Let me grab my phone. So I have a calculator. Alright, so for my credit, I'm gonna go ahead and do $150. My personal, I'll do $100. Medical, I will do $35. Holidays, I'll go ahead and do $30. My shop, I will go ahead and do 80. No, I'll do 90. And then for my emergency fund, I'll go ahead and just do 80. I think that's fair enough. That's good enough. I'm fine with that. So let's just get into stuffing. All right, the first thing is my credit, and we're gonna say 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 20, 40, and I'll do a 10 for 50. So we added 150, and let's see, my balance is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70. My total is $270. That's good. I think I'll keep my credit envelope going until I have like 500, and then I'll just take it out and make a payment. But yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, I'll wait until I get to like 500. My personal will be getting 100 this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And we have 80 in here, so it will be now 20, 40, 60, 80, $180. So we added 100, and now will be 180, which is good because I need a pedicure. I'm going to go get a wax today too, so I'm glad I'm stuffing this because I have some stuff I need to do today. My medical will be getting $35. So let's go ahead and add that. There's only 10 in there. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 45. We added 35, and now we have 45. Holidays. Holidays will be getting 30. And I do have 20, 30. My nephew's birthday's coming up, so I'm glad I'm doing this because, yeah, I need to get him a gift. So we have 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. We added 30, and now we have 43 as my new total. Okay, so my shop this time will be getting 90, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And I have 40 in here, so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30. So I added 90, and I have 130 in here now. And then my emergency fund will be getting 80, and that should be remaining 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. That is correct, plus the 40. So it should be 120. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we added 80. And now my new total for my emergency fund is 120. I already have like an emergency fund in my bank, but I figured why not just start another one just in case for something else. I don't know. You never know. And I just want to be prepared and okay. Because I do need to update my breaker box in my home, so I need to call an electrician and get a quote for that. So maybe this emergency fund will be, yeah, I'll be saving that up to pay for my breaker box to be updated and rewired. So yeah, guys, this is today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next week. Yeah, I figured I should do this weekly instead of bi-weekly, but with me getting sick, my husband getting sick, and me not working for a whole week, it just threw everything off. But today is June 1st. I can't believe it. Happy June to you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.